And then Konshens saw that now and we go around at the studio. When we go around and link Konshens now and say I want to shoot a video. But me not tell him say me still in a processing, but I already shoot video and
so he's already convinced.
Them already give me the confirmation. I took the confirmation. When we link Konshens in the drone there, I record a song, the first verse of the song. And the song was him sing the first line was like what it go? If you don't put up your hand, dance a brown span, bubble, bubble, girl, bubble.
Yeah.
That him there I do. And I said, Bombard, alright, cool. Me just come to talk me there while I record the song. Cut. 1 week after him call me. And I said, yo, want to shoot the video for the song? I said, I'm not a concept or nothing or whatever it is. I have the car wash, I get some girl and thing. And them time me and Dan McGregor link up to. Some say, come in Dan, we're going to shoot this video. Wherever. We're going to shoot the video. That video was Gyal bubble. Just make up the concept on spot.
A bad video that is
yeah, we just in our magic zone. We got a Konshens. Konshens have a creative mind too, you know.
Yeah.
So we just did that figure it out. We see Romesh, she said, Romesh, come in, come stand up yourself. And do the whole intro and pan spot. We said, alright, we'll make this video be a video, shoot a video. And then we start work, do the editing, and we just have the girl in my bubble. We just figure out the stuff pan spot right there. So that was Gyal bubble video. And the whole world know that video there.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So that now lead into, so after we do that now, when we link Konshens, we actually so they link him and give him a rhythm. You feel like me at that? No.
No man, you're good. It's a very interesting conversation. I am sure the audience would say the same.
Yardstyle live.